This is my brother-in-law's Xbox 360. He brought it to me partially disassembled. There's no video on it, so we're going to finish disassembling it. From what I've read on the internet, the heatsink on the video card, the hold down straps get weak, and so video card overheats. It didn't have the circle or ring of death or whatever, but just no video. So I'm not sure how he got the other parts of the cover off, and he didn't bring them to me. So we're gonna finish disassembling it. So if you can figure out how to get the front piece and the bottom piece off, then there's some little clips, just snaps. Let's see. Go get a screwdriver. Okay, the back part's a little tricky, but as you can see down here, there's these little slots. You just take a screwdriver, and as you're prying apart, these are little snap-in clips. When you push in the screwdriver, it releases it, but there's a bunch of them, so you gotta kind of push out on the case. So when you push one out, you know, it kind of snaps out of place, and you can go down the line. So I got those out. So from what I can tell, the next step will be to take out all these silver screws, and you need a Torx screwdriver. It's a 10. So take all those out and see if this top cover will come out. Or actually, I think when we get these out, the bottom plastic may come off. We'll see. So you gotta take this piece off, the eject button. You just push in on that and pull it up and out. And now, after removing those silver screws, we've got the cover off. And everything looks good. Need to find the video card, which is probably right under there. But we're gonna have to get the CD-ROM out. And to get it out, looks like we gotta take some more screws out. Well, maybe not. Put this away. Alright. CD-ROM's undone. Unplug the SATA cable into power cable. Alright, so now we can remove this shield. It's got just a little spring clip right there. Just wedge it with a screwdriver. Okay. So I think the video card is going to be under here. So I need to get the heatsink off, and it's a Torx 9. I think it's these black screws. So we'll take them out and see if the heatsinks will come off. So I think the motherboard has to come out before the heatsink will come out. Heatsink's loose, but I think it's still fastened on the underside. So we'll take these greenish color screws out. They're also torque 10s, and I think that will allow the motherboard to come out. Okay, I got the green screws out now. Gotta take this front panel off, which is 9. Okay, we got another screw under this plastic thing, which I think get right under there. There we go. And take this bottom screw out. Now, it should come unplugged. There we go. So, let's see if the motherboard will come out. Pull the front out first. Work it out. Unplug the fans in the back. Fans are unplugged. And there's those spring clips that fail. So, let's see if we can get these off. Okay. Let's see how they fasten. Looks like we can just get the screwdriver under and kind of pry them away. Okay, so I figured out how to get these out. Take your small blade screwdriver, put in between the top and the bottom of the clip, and just twist it. Oh, maybe try the other screwdriver. The other one popped right out, and this one's a little big. Alright, well first, take it and shove it down this way. Kind of wiggle it around, pry it around. Okay, now, there we go. It's a two-step process. Take it, wiggle it around. Okay, now that we've got two of those undone, they're coming off easy, but let's do a fresh one. Pry it over, around, pop. Same way for this one. Get it over, popped out. Pry this one over, popped out. Okay, so we got the heat sinks off. Now we just need to come up with a way to remount these.